I'd like to have that song. Yeah, I'd love to have this song in my collection. I like the song. I wish I could know what it is.
You have to listen more to the Spanish radio.
Yeah, maybe that's what we have to do. I'm gonna make a long film here. I went like this, like. But you know why? Because of the, I want to get a good footage, you know? Look. I think somewhere around here we were starting running, huh? We walked past here, I remember. Look, there's more basketball court, all different heights. Yeah, I think I make a long one, like 10-15 minutes, and then publish that long one.
Sí, lo que pasamos es que
That's you.
Можно сегодня один отработать, правда.
Building, right?
This, yeah. Yeah, that's the one we had seen, huh?
Was the hotel?
Look, there's Luisa. Remember Mama Luisa?
Yeah.
Mama Luisa is closed most of the time.
Yeah.
She's not at home anymore. There's a good object for my videos.
Do you do music over by them? You play a bit of music?
No, I think I could publish this as is. Look, I went like this and then you saw my camera go. It's like wandering eyes. That's nice too, but it's totally in the shade.
Yeah, it's a bit cold.
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm just warming up now a little bit.
The temperature is just about perfect, I would say.
It's lovely to have those long beaches.
This Long Beach here is spectacular. This hotel is everywhere on the map. It shows up as important.
Is it?
Yeah. Mm.
Oh yeah, Bayern.
You have come across it too?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, it's
I
4-star.
always have the thing on Bayern München, football.
Ah.
And they have the thing on Bayern, from the pills, van Pharmacia.
Mhm.
Bayern.
It could be Bayern, yeah.
It's niet een local site in Zurich.
But Bayern is written with an ER, and this is RE. See that? Yeah.
Walking to the beach there with his,
Yeah.
he has a little white doggy in
Yeah,
his
I
hand.
saw
Maybe
him.
he let him swim.
Ah.
Have a look. Maybe he lets him
Is that
swim.
good if they swim? Yeah.
No, maybe he has him in hand.
Ernie is laughing again.
What?
No, that was Batja. Huh?
Ja, Rico. Rico. Ja. Wat did you say, Rico?
He's going again. Yeah, this will be a 14-15 minutes video, if not 20.
Now, look, what is going to happen with the doggy? Will he let him swim? Will he let him run?
That's a good
Will he
question.
drown him?
Mm.
What is going to happen with the doggy? Come on. We will throw him in the water.
Whoosh. It's because he's pulling so hard, huh?
It's Bert and Ernie.
Yeah, now he's better. He was pulling.
Oh, look, that is Lucifer. Lucifer with his wings.
Where?
Lucifer with his wings.
Oh, right, yeah.
Zoom in.
Oh my God.
Look, that is the white dog.
And now he lets him walk.
He may cack over there.
Yeah, that's what's going on here. That's what he's planning, I think. You want to give me the...
No, because you don't see anything. No, you have it. Yes, okay. You may film the guapa.
The quabbas.
Mucho guapa. Muy bueno
I
guapa.
definitely have now a good...
Also a big bueno guapa.
Oh, ja. Oh. Da können wir richtig reinzoomen. Sometimes the language is funny, isn't it? Da können wir richtig schön reinzoomen.
With your chocolate churro.
Ja. Nein, Jago, zeig mal, was du Schönes hast. Look, I go like this, like, look, and the camera is moving. And she going like, what are you doing? And I'm saying, I'm doing nothing. Nothing, ma'am. Ah, look, here's a sign again.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's nice.
I'm at 8 minutes.
People like it, hè? To have a few of 8 minutes walking.
Look here.
Remember, I lost my backpack over here
Where at that farm? Yeah, yeah.
at the pharmacy.
Wow, huh?
And how warm is it? Come on. Oh, it doesn't say.
Now.
Maybe now, yeah. Maybe it will say something.
$20. If this thing goes all the way back there,
Yeah.
then it's very long.
Yeah.
It could be like 6-7 kilometers, huh?
Yeah. What was the village above Gandia? You remember?
No. One can basically spend a whole day like this, I think, just walking.
Yeah.
This is really spectacular when you think of it.
Now you can make your 10 kilometers.
Yeah, which was
Easily. And then if we are at the end, we go back with the bus.
yeah. We look up and there should be some bus,
Mm.
but we can also walk back and just stop somewhere, drink a little something, go some more. Because I'm really enjoying this very much.
Yeah. I'm gonna have a little seat over there because I want to make a picture of that
You want to give me?
the watching tower. You see that watching tower?
Ah, yeah. You want to go to the beach? Or?
No, I want to sit over there.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Oh, you can have a walk by the beach if you want to.
No, not really.
It's easier walking over here.
Yeah.
Peter is saying teachers keeping the height of the snow. Keeps an eye on it.
Mhm.
There's an area that's called Alta Badia. There's already a half-meter of snow.
Hmm.
Alta Badia. Have you heard of
Is
it?
that somewhere in the Snow Mountains?
I will have a look where it was. Alta Badia.
You're probably talking about Spain.
Alta Badia. Oh, look. That's Sofia.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, that's exactly where you want to go. It's where the Dolomites are.
Yeah. So it's a little bit. It is Italy.
Yeah, it's exactly where Dolomite, because I came from here from Venice and I was thinking to go there, but then I quickly drove to my aunt. Yeah.
Mm.